We challenged you and we challenged ourselves. 30 Ks in 30 days. We did it. How did you make out? Hey there, welcome to another MSM RC and Hobby video. In this video, we're going to talk about our challenge that we did last month with the Scaletra app and the impact that challenge may have had on our Traxxas TRX4 Bronco. So last month, we teamed up with Scaletra and we did a 30-kilometer challenge for the 30 days in the month of June. Scaletra is an awesome app. We use it to log mileage, we use it to log trails, and it has a community feel to it. So you can interact with other tiny truckers all over the world. You can do challenges, and it's really just a very, very cool way to bring the scalerccrawler world together on a platform that does a number of different things that other social media platforms don't do. So we approached Scaletra and we said, hey, we got this idea of doing 30 kilometers in 30 days. And they said, that's an awesome idea. Let's do a challenge. So we created it, we teased it, we marketed it. And just before it went live, I had some people getting in touch with me saying, you know what, Jared, I'd love to do this, but I think it's going to destroy my truck. And I thought, you know, that's a good idea for a video. Let's take a look at the Bronco after it's done the 30 kilometers and let's see, did it get damaged? Did it get worn out? And hence the idea for this video was born. So we're going to take a look at the truck, and I can report that it turned out pretty good. It did just fine. But anyway, let's have a look at it. So starting with the body, all of my runs to get the 30 kilometers were done either at Green Timbers, which is a really beautiful park with a lake in the middle of it. The trails are really nice. They're gravel, they're wide. So I did a lot of mileage there. I also did a fair amount of mileage in my neighborhood. Just time constraints, getting home from work. Don't have time to go up to the Green Timbers. So it's like, well, let's cruise around the block a couple times and just get the kilometers logged. We did a run at the Watershed, which is this beautiful, big, huge park that we have in Delta. And I finished up by doing a couple different trail runs up at the Rock Den. So the truck saw everything from super nice groomed, easy gravel trails to concrete sidewalks to actual trails, hiking, biking trails at the Watershed and the Rock Den. And the body came out looking really pretty good. Has a couple little scuffs, but overall, the body looks great. 30 kilometers, wipe it down, clean it up, and it looks almost as good as new. After I saw that, I thought, okay, let's take the body off and let's take a look at the chassis and see if we can see anything obvious there. And I'm happy to report that was good too. It's really dirty, which is fair, but everything on the chassis from the top side looking down, the motor, the transmission, the servos, all of them work just fine. None of them are damaged. None of them are misbehaving or not operating properly. The motor's just fine. It does its low speed and high speed passes really, really well. All the servos work. So the 2-speed servo, the differential servos, and the steering servo all work fine. No problem there. So next up, let's take a look under the chassis. And I thought we'd focus in on one of the portals and just see, did 30 kilometers do any appreciable wear to the gears inside the portal? I pulled the brass cover off, and other than the grease being a little dirty from some water crossings, the gears look fine. I don't see any abnormal wear. I don't see anything that I'm alarmed at. And so we're looking good, okay? This thing did the 30K, and I'm not seeing any really obvious damage. I buttoned up the portal and turned the truck upside down, and I started taking a look at links. I was looking at steering components, axles, and again, there's some scuffs and some scratches from the trails at Watershed and the Rock Den, but again, nothing looks really bad. Everything looks fine. It's a little, you've got some surface rust starting. Like I said, I've got some scuffs and some scratches, a couple dings, but all the links are fine. All the shock mounts are fine. Drive shafts, everything is looking really, really good. I can conclude that 30 kilometers of trail usage, walking, and a little bit of hiking, and this truck is fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I didn't find any parts that need to be replaced. And so the people who had concerns about increased wear, I think they're pretty unfounded. I don't think you really need to worry about that. You know, yes, it's dirty, so I'll give it a really good bath. We'll clean it up, air dry it, lubricate bearings, lubricate linkages, and she'll be ready to do another 30 kilometers. So when you see a chance to get out and do some of these challenges on the Scaletra app, even if they're a long challenge, we encourage you to just go and do it, because you don't have to worry about your truck. The truck's going to be fine, and you're going to get some great exercise and some great social moments with your friends. So if you're enjoying our videos, please like and subscribe, and be sure to go and check out some of our videos that we've done in the past. And if they're of interest to you, make sure you put a like on those. And finally, drop us a comment in the comment section. Let us know if you have done long journeys with your RCs and how did they turn out for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.